Here's your unboxing video. I'm horrible. I wouldn't build this until I got a second one to keep in the box. Because once you build it, it doesn't fit in the box. It's a beautiful kit. It is made by Jin's company out of China. It's a helicopter. Was it the S01? S01 OKMO live steam helicopter. Let's go. Right, they got the little how-to manual, and then this is just really nicely done. You have wick and tools, and then you have layer 1 of the helicopter with your... Oh, it already comes with a wick in it too. Oh, so that's an extra wick, and probably extra parts maybe. And look at that. The chassis, the boiler, safety valve, the actual engine, the rotor top. Looks like the base and the tail and the wings are in here. Or the rotors. Rotors. Pulling all this out, I didn't even think there'd be another layer, but there's the base. This is really solid aluminum billet. This is beautiful. Look, it's got the grooves for the legs of the helicopter. Oh, I'm so stoked to put this together. Yes, it works, guys. Smart design for the sled, I guess you call it. 2 screws for the front, 1 in the back, 1 less screw used in manufacturing, and you'll always have it pointing in the right direction. And then looks like the rotor connects to that gear right there. And goes down to the fin. Forgive me if I'm doing the wrong terms. I'm a steam engine guy, not a helicopter man. Helicopter man! This is really well built. I mean, I would love more, but they're on eBay. They go for about $75 to $100 if you get a good bid in. Look at this. Really well built. And the burner. Oh my gosh, it's almost done. Oh, is that rubber band supposed to be loose? No. Shorten the wick as short as possible to control the flame underneath the boiler. We got the safety valve that we're gonna unscrew that right now. This is tiny. Look, I mean, look at how big my hands are. There's the little safety valve. We're gonna fill it. I gotta read the instructions. It's probably like 5 milliliters of water. And then I think that band's supposed to have some slack, because everything works when you spin the actual steam rotor, but then that prevents it from being kind of too crazy. It's so cool. No! Inject with 2/3 of water. 2/3 of what? No! Alright, let's find out if there's specs. Alright, there we go. Flywheel diameter. No boiler specs. Alright, so how many milliliters? Mr. Jin, help me. Alright, we're gonna figure it out. I settled on, I think, between 3 and 4 milliliters of water. I think it's a 5 milliliter engine. We could do the math, but I don't know the boiler thickness. And then we're going to do some denatured alcohol. And then we'll put this back together and get it lit. Alright, first light. Perfect size flame, I think. I wonder how long it takes to heat up. No, because the safety valve will start buzzing. Make sure that's on. Alright. Oh, I can't wait. This is exciting. It's a whole helicopter. I assume it goes this way. Well, no. Let's wait till the safety valve goes off. A little single oscillating cylinder under there. How cute. My steam oil's sludging up. Let's see. Too much water. Let's go. It wants to go. Oh, hear it? Oh, no way. Alright, does it hurt? No. Come on. Oh, come on, buddy. Come on. No way. Oh, this is so cool. There we go. Called a steam engine for a reason. You need to have enough room in the boiler to create steam. Too much water, it locks up. You can cause damage that way too. And then too little water, and you burn out the boiler. There's no sight glass on this. I don't think it'll melt out, but who knows. The water actually cools down the metal and keeps it from melting the solder or the brazing, however it's been put together. There's a gasket in here based on these 4 screws. This is really cool. I'm having fun. And that's the steam exhaust. The steam comes out through this top part, the steam chest it's called, and it goes in one part of the cylinder and exits through another hole through this back part. There's probably 2 holes that are, oops, I stopped it. There's probably 2 holes that are 1 and 2 of each other behind the screw. I'm just nerding out. Sorry. Here, let's get it going again. Let's go. Come on. Yes.